You can expect a lot from the 2022 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a rear step bumper, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, and voice-activated navigation. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.